All right, good morning, everyone. This morning, I'm going to show you all how to brainstorm for your argumentative essay. I put a copy of this brainstorm into Google Classroom. I have a copy for each student, so you should have one, and you can edit it. So don't worry about messing up the copy that I put into Google Classroom because every student has one, and you can edit it. And this is what it looks like. So right here on the screen, it's a brainstorm for argumentative essay. So as you know, the essay prompt is, who should be responsible for taking care of refugees? The reason why I have this brainstorming template for you is because I wanted to give you a few positions that you can hold in order to actually answer the essay prompt. So I have 5 positions here. As you can see, I'm scrolling down. So the first position is host countries should be responsible for taking care of refugees. And I have a box where you can put the reasons why they should. Please add your supporting evidence for each of the reasons that you put down. The reason why is because when it's time for you to actually write your essay, you have all of your supporting evidence there. You don't have to go back and do any reading or any more research in order to support your position. All right, so this is where you can put all of your research so that when it's time to actually write the essay, you are done completely with your research. So reasons why they should, reasons why they should not. Your position number 2, origin countries should be responsible for taking care of refugees. So what this means is the origin countries where the refugees come from. Should they have some sort of responsibility to support the refugees in their host countries if they are the reasons why the refugees had to leave their country? Of course, this is very complicated. This is probably the most complicated position to take, but I think it's still important for you to explore this as an option. So reasons why they should and reasons why they should not. And for all of these positions, you may have more reasons why they should or more reasons why they should not. It doesn't have to be equal. This is just to wrap your head around all of these positions that you could take in responding to the essay prompt. Who should be responsible for taking care of the refugees? All right, so position number 3, global organizations. So these global organizations would be like the United Nations Refugee Agency, which we did a little bit of research on, the Red Cross, other humanitarian and relief agencies. So do you believe that they should be the ones who are responsible for taking care of refugees? Reasons why they should and reasons why they should not. You can add your personal opinions, but always have supporting evidence to back up your personal opinions as well, because that's what's going to make a strong argument. Because as you know, this is an argumentative essay. It's not just an opinion essay. It should be backed by research and evidence. All right, position number 4. Refugees should be responsible for taking care of themselves. All right, so this is where those personal anecdotes that we read from the Humans of New York, the videos that we watched and I put on Google Classroom, also the videos that came from the United Nations Refugee Agency that I put on Google Classroom, that entire playlist, all of those will be very useful for this position. So reasons why they should be responsible for taking care of themselves or reasons why they should not be responsible for taking care of themselves. This is definitely a more personal position to take. You'll have to take into account their stories to actually back this position up. All right, position number 5, it is everyone's responsibility to take care of refugees. This includes regular citizens, governments, relief agencies, the refugees themselves, etc. So you would want to have reasons to support this idea that everyone is responsible, not just governments, but regular citizens like us or your parents. Relief agencies, everyone should work together to take care of refugees. All right, so let me show you Google Classroom really quickly so that you know how to access. Oh, it's okay. Here it is. This is F block. So let me just show you the stream. Here are some of the resources that are available for you for the research assignment. Let's see. Also, some of the resources. So here, these videos that have the basic information, it's an entire playlist. Here are the refugee stories that we read last week or the week before. I would highly suggest you look at all of the resources. Also, look at the library hub. Ms. Zanelli sent out an email yesterday, on Tuesday, that explained how to access the databases that are available to you on the middle school library hub. And you can always email Ms. Zanelli if you are having trouble accessing them. And you don't only have to use the resources that I put on Google Classroom. You can use your own research as well. All right, just make sure that all of your sources are recorded. I am not going to mandate Noodle tools right now, but when you turn in your essay, you're going to be responsible for having them in MLA citations, citation format. So it's best that while you are completing your research, you are keeping a record of your sources that you're using. That is very important. Do not wait until the last minute to record your sources. It's so much easier to record them as you are going along in your research. It's so much easier. You don't have to think back to where you got certain information from. Just write it down right now and be done with it. All right, you're still going to have to go back and put them in MLA format, but at least you'll know where you got all of your information from. All right, so as always, if you have any questions, you can send me an email. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll see. And have a great Thursday or Friday for those of you who will see this tomorrow. All right, bye.